Hello everyone, this is Faraz. I'm a part of the BBD community since August 2017 and have been trading live since February 2018. And I'm here to share with you my personal experience as a part of a BBD mentorship program. Firstly, I would like to thank Andrew, his entire team, to initiate this mentorship program to help the developing traders like me fast track their growth in becoming a consistent profitable trader. Now, coming back to my experience, first and foremost important thing that I was asked to do was to provide my vision, my goal, like what kind of trader I want to be in a long term, and what goals I want to achieve as a part of this program. As per me, it was really important to be a part of a mentorship where I wasn't advised to become something I might not want to become. Rather, I was mentored based on my specific goals and vision. You might want to be a trend trader or a momentum trader or a scalper. But if you're mentored to become a news trader, it might not even work. So, a personal vision that I had, or the nature of trading as a personal goal, I wanted to become a momentum trader, taking 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes breakouts, VWAP reversals, breakouts, ABCD patterns, etc. So, during the entire course, I was given a continuous feedback based on the vision of becoming a momentum trader. This was definitely a game changer for me. The mentorship program basically spanned for around 10 weeks, and within each every week, all of the mentors and mentees meet in a 1 hour session and talk about a specific agenda and discuss the possible ways or the best ways to overcome a particular weakness. For example, one of the weeks was about discussing about overtrading and how are the best ways to or the strategies to follow to overcome the overtrading. So every week there was a focus area to be discussed and ways to tackle them in the real world. Also, apart from the weekly sessions, every mentee shared a recap with the mentors on a daily basis. The mentors analyzed it, the trades, and provided a detailed report card on each and every trade made by the mentee during in the form of a spreadsheet or a video or a one-to-one conversation. The constructive feedback provided analysis on trade entries, exits, setups, plans, like plan for the next coming days or the weeks coming forward. So that feedback gave me a perspective on how important it is to be very selective on your trades and keeping your emotions in check. Since the start of the mentorship program, my trading has improved significantly. I have been a lot consistent with a very small red days. In the past, I struggled a lot in being selective about my trades, letting my winners run, overtrading, revenge trading, and I'm sure each one of you has gone through each of those struggles in the past of your trading career. Since the mentorship program, I see a lot of improvement in these areas. I would not say that I was 100% able to wipe out all of these struggles, but I can definitely say that I'm able to recognize them pretty nicely right now and able to take actions on improvising it. In the end, I can completely say, or do not even hesitate to say, that being a part of this program was a life changing experience for me. Thank you.